I'm here at the Kalamazoo Nature Center where spring is in bloom. Across the upper Midwest in the last couple of weeks, that warmth has really fueled things to bud out. Everything, as you can see behind me, super lush, super green, here at one of the many beautiful trails at the Kalamazoo Nature Center. Here's what a trail in southwest Michigan looks like this time of year. The beech maples providing a lovely canopy. I was here for a work assignment, but was able to sneak in a quick walk. One thing I'm ashamed to admit I forgot is the bug spray. The mosquitoes have exploded, and honestly, not super smart because the ticks are pretty bad here too. When I was walking along the trail, I noticed these little white flowers. I was lucky enough to have their conservation educator tell me a bit about the native plant I was looking at.
Over here we have some false rue anemone, which is a native spring ephemeral, which is just a native plant that will bloom only for like the beginnings of spring. It's on the tail end of all of its bloom time right now. And we actually have some native ramps in the back that are on their tail end of being around. The little yellowy leaves over there, they're kind of a wild leek, and their populations are really dwindling. So it's just great to see how much we have here at the Nature Center. With all of us probably at least thinking about our garden this time of year, it's a good idea to think about adding some of these native species to your garden at home. That could be trees, anything from grasses to flowers to other various plants. And there's a lot of benefits to doing that. It helps the whole entire ecosystem based on what the experts here at the Nature Center tell me. It can help the bird population because it really helps those caterpillars, and also big time helps the pollinators, which in many parts of the country, as we know, are hurting and could definitely use the help. So it's a win-win. It also even improves your irrigation, and long term, you may not have to use as much water in your garden or your lawn. So definitely something to think about as you head out to the garden this spring.